Hey everyone, we are back again with a foodie experience. So, here's a story. My friends and I were extremely hungry since the food in our PG was really bad. So, we hopped on our scooties and explored the Hinjewadi Phase 1 area. Madbom is located in Bluish town, Pune. The place gives off comfortable and relaxing vibes with kind staff and lighting that is not too bright. First, we ordered the white sauce pasta. This was decent in taste and not too costly. Usually when we visit a restaurant, the pastas usually start from 400 rupees. But here we got it for around 250 rupees. And the quantity was enough for 2 to 3 people. Next we ordered the french fries, which served as a common choice to try with pasta. The fries were just like any other restaurant and they were tasty too. After that we ordered Bombay cutting tea and bun maska. The tea was okayish, but the bun maska was really tasty and big in size too. I'm not a huge fan of bun maska, but I really liked it here. So, you might think that we tried basic food items only and nothing special. But the thing is, sometimes all our stomach needs is a decent food that leaves us feel satisfied. The place really gives off family vibes and we usually sit on the first floor and just order tea and bun maska. I would just ask you to try out this once and experience the calm vibes of this place. I hope you find this video helpful. Stay tuned for more such videos.